Hello and welcome to this episode. In this part 3 of 10 of the series on XLOOKUP, I am going to show you a fantastic utility of this function which helps you fetch the value of not one but more than one columns at once. The same also applies for if you're wanting to look for rows. I'll make a separate video around that using XLOOKUP as a replacement for horizontal lookup or HLOOKUP. Here, unlike the previous video wherein I had showed how XLOOKUP simplifies your life by not needing to number any of the columns, unlike the V function, herein I'm going to talk about how you can fetch multiple column values at once, which means you just write XLOOKUP once, but it spills over and gives you multi-column values together. So for example, here we have a simple range. I have the product column, I have the sales and the gross margin for the respective columns. Now my requirement is that based on the product selection here, I want to see the sales and the corresponding gross margin. So I'm going to simply type XLOOKUP. What is it that I want to look for? I want to look for this product, let's say below. Where is it that I want to look it? I want to look it in this column, comma, if it is found, what is the corresponding value or of which column do I want to return? So earlier I had selected only this column. Now I will only ensure that I extend my mouse or using the keyboard to both the columns and I'll close the bracket. The moment I press enter, you will see that the value has actually spilled over to both sales as well as gross margin. And this is because in the selection of the range, we have selected column C as well as column D, which means Excel got a signal that it has to do the work across two columns. Let me know in the comment section how would you apply it in your practical life, and stay tuned for more.